Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how to recover or restore already deleted files like photos, for instance, inside your Dropbox account. It is very simple, guys, so let us guide you through this. So let's assume you accidentally deleted files like photos or videos from your Dropbox library. So let me do that for demonstration purposes and show you step by step how to recover such a file or folder. So for the sake of this tutorial, let me head over to Photos here inside my Dropbox account and select that photo here for demonstration purposes by selecting the checkbox in the top left corner. After that, simply click on these three dots here and click on or select delete to delete the given photo, just like that. So after that, the given item will get deleted by Dropbox. So what you want to do, guys, is head over to the deleted files folder here on the overview to the left and see any files or folders or items that have been deleted recently. So what you want to do, guys, is simply select the checkbox next to the given file, and after that choose restore here on the right hand side, or delete it permanently if that's your wish. So if you'd like to restore it, click on restore, confirm the restoration by clicking on that button, and that is going to restore the given file. Just give it a few moments, and after that the given file will be successfully restored and moved back to its file location here. And that's how we do it, guys. That's how we restore deleted photos on Dropbox. Thanks for watching and see you next time.